Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how we can create a glowing text on a reflective surface using Inkscape. The first thing I'll do is create a black background. Then I'll grab the text tool, click and type reflect. Next I'll change the font. Then with the select and transform tool I'll make the text bigger, and I'm holding down the control key to keep the aspect ratio when I'm resizing it. I'll change the color to red, and with Ctrl D I'll duplicate this, and I'll change the color to white. Then here I'm going to select a linear gradient, and with the gradient tool I'm going to adjust it. Now I'm going to select this and move it one step down. Then I'll select this and duplicate it once. After that I'll send it 2 steps down. Then I'll adjust the blur. Then I'm going to select this and send it just 1 step down. The next thing I'll do is select this and group. Now with Ctrl D I duplicated it, and now I'm going to flip it. I'm going to move it up a little bit using the arrow. Also you can hold down the control key and move up and down. I'm going to create another rectangle here with a black color. Go to fill and stroke, and I'm going to enter a blur here. Then I'm going to position this. Now I'm going to select this and move it 1 step down to select the text here and reduce the opacity around 48. Then I'm going to send this 1 step down. And I think I want to move the text a little bit. So I'm going to select this again, move it down, then I'll select the text and also move it down using the down arrow and send it 1 step down behind the black rectangle. And you see we have the glowing text on a reflective surface. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like the video, subscribe, like the video, share it. Bye for now.